2, 1. Hi guys, today we're going to be making a cake with Play-Doh. So we have some red Play-Doh and some yellow Play-Doh. So we're using the yellow Play-Doh for the cake part and the red for the fun and the decorations.
Okay.
So,
Yes. Let's try. Make a cake, Daniela.
Okay, so we have a little ruler here.
So you can use this cup, put it in here, and you make the cake.
We have a little ruler, a mini ruler, that we're rolling the fondant with.
Let's open it. The cake.
Wow, that's so cool. See, look, Daniela's cake. Wow, yummy cake. See? Wow, good job.
I don't like to make a cake.
You don't like to make a
Look.
cake? See?
I'm gonna open it too.
So now that it's gonna put the fondant on top, wow.
Okay.
Make it bigger, taller, smaller. How do you like it?
No, meow, 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 meow.
Okay, guys, so now we're going to put the fondant on top. Daniela, can you give me the cake? What did you do to the cake, Daniela? So, guys, right here we have some homemade Play-Doh. And what you need for this homemade Play-Doh is some salt, some oil, some hot water, and some flour.
Yes!
And some food coloring.
Yes.
It's your choice. You can do it white,
Yes.
or you can dye it. So this one right here is mine. It's really cool. It's like really stretchy. It's almost like a slime Play-Doh.
I want.
In another video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this one. This is Play-Doh, I mean. Here's this one's yours. And that one's mine. Thank you. So stretchy.
No, that's not mine.
Yes. Oh yeah, because this one has like little hard crumbs in it. But the more you play with it, the more the like hard crumbs come out. But I think she likes mine better because it's stretchy and it's soft. So hard.
And mine is not hard.
Guys, should I add some cream to it to make it stretchier? I should. Just added like 2 pumps of cream and mixing it up. Those are not. Guys, it's actually getting stretchier and softer. Gotta move it like dough. What are you doing? Anila. Yeah, there's a piece of tray. It's getting stretchier, guys.
It's good. It's stretchy. Whoa.
That's around like 4 to 5 pumps. Well, I did 2, but it looks like 3. Look, Daniela, your slime is soft again. Okay, guys, so now that I added some cream, I want to change the color of it. So I'm going to pick purple, color purple. Okay, so I'm going to add some little specks of purple on there. Not a lot because I don't want it.
You want to change the color, Daniela?
Do you want to change the color of your slime?
You want to
Of
add
your
some
Play-Doh?
color? Or your... Yeah, Tata? She's gone to the moon.
Yeah. She was thinking about something. I don't know what she was thinking about, but she was thinking about something.
You want some color, Daniela, for yours?
Yes or no?
Green?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
Green?
what color?
Blue?
I want green.
Green?
Green. Okay.
Okay.
What?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Look at that.
It's starting to change the color a little bit, but not that much. And guys, this actually feels a lot like Play-Doh. It's like a Play-Doh slime, basically. Because it's stretchy, but at the same time, it like doesn't make bubbles. And it's really salty. It's edible, but if you eat it, that's the only thing that you're gonna taste. Salt. Most of it is salt. Because the flour doesn't have taste, and the oil doesn't have taste. So it's just salt.
Let's make it up. Let's make it up.
Guys, I might have to add some food coloring into here because it's not changing the color. It's kind of changing the color, but not that much. So I might have to like add food coloring into it or something else. Guys, I got my food coloring. So I'm gonna see what colors are in here. Okay, perfect. There's purple. And there's also a dark green, a light green, and a yellow, but I want to go purple.
You want to make yours green, Daniela? You want to add some green food coloring?
Yes.
Yes.
I want the yellow and green.
Yellow and green, okay.
And this one, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try green.
Okay, guys, it's changing my color
1,
a little bit. So yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's try with that.
I added 5 drops to mine too.
Wait, Daniela. Let's mix the green first.
This one.
Yeah.
I want a green yellow.
A green yellow.
Yes.
I just heard a weird buzz sound. Yeah, outside or something. I don't know what it was, but it was somewhere.
1,
Guys, it's actually changing my color.
4,
Look.
5, 6,
Do you guys see the
7, 8,
color?
9, and 10, 12.
Yeah.
She had the 12 drops.
See, now we're gonna need some flour because yours is gonna get so sticky. Okay, be right back.
Okay.
Flour.
So guys, since we're like playing with Play-Doh, we're gonna show you how to make it. So you'll need any purpose flour, whatever flour you have at home, some salt, some oil, and we could get the hot water from the washer. So first, we have some flour right here.
Yes.
Then we gotta get our salt. Just a little bit.
Just 1 second. Let's try it here.
So guys, you could use a big bowl or a small bowl. You could use anything to measure. I'm using this little bowl. So I will need 2 of flour. 1. 2, and 1 of salt. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to mix these two together. And then we're going to mix the oil with the hot water, and then we're going to slowly add those two. So we have the dry ingredients right here that we're mixing up together. Okay. My mom went to get the warm water and look at us. We have flour everywhere.
What happened here? Huh? What happened here?
My sister had a flour fight with
No,
me.
Daniela, no,
No,
Daniela, no.
you're getting flour everywhere.
No.
On your toes. Okay, guys, so what you'll need is
No, Daniela. No more.
1 cup of warm water, that's right over
Play
here,
with your Play-Doh. Mira, his
and
screen.
1 tablespoon of oil. But my sister has a tablespoon, so we're just going to use this little spoon here. So I'm going to add it in a different separate bowl. Go. And then just a little bit more. I have literally none. See, guys, how the oil doesn't mix with the water? Like, if I try to mix it, it won't mix up. It's so funny. Wait, I'm going to use, like, a little bit more. Mix it up. It will not mix up. So, no. Daniela. Okay, so I am going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Or you could do the opposite, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to slowly add the flour with the salt to the water with the oil. I'm going to slowly add it and then like mix it up in the middle that I'm adding it because like it's better if you would just like mix it up in the middle and then add some more. Guys, make sure to add little by little because that's how you can measure like how much you want, and it comes out better if you do that. So yeah, I'm adding little by little, and then you get the whole thing, and then you mix it up. And guys, if it's still wet for you, you could add more like flour, but if it's too dry, you could add more water.
Make mommy.
Look at your green Play-Doh. See, green. Nice, see, green. Yeah, you got some flour.
So guys, my Play-Doh is like really wet still, so we're gonna add a little bit more flour to it.
Okay, stop playing here. Take it out of the bowl. Yeah.
And I can just collect all the flour that's... Whoa.
Oh, we forgot the food coloring.
But that's okay. We can add it after.
Yeah, so if you guys want to add food coloring, just add it to the water and the oil, and then that way you
I
can.
needed more
Or you can add it like
flour.
after we make it. Since we forgot, we gotta add it after. Like after we make it. See. And right on the table there's some flowers. Yeah, that's what I'm putting on my Play-Doh to make it. Anita, don't do that. I need some flour. Thank you. Thank you for the flour. So guys, this is basically the same way that you make pizza dough, but without the oil. Well, you could add oil if you want, but not salt, because it's all salty. So what you do is you get your flour, you put it on the table, and then you just smear it on your working surface, just like this. And you need to have some on your hands so it doesn't stick to you. This is the fun part. So you stretch it out. There are people that like they make it so thin and then they like roll it on their finger and then they throw it up high and it lands right on the flour. but I don't want to do it. So, boop. I've seen the biggest pizza in the whole entire world, and it's actually, you can actually eat it, and it's basically the size of a wall, the size of this wall, like the size from there to like right there. It's that big, like it's that big, and people actually eat it. I don't know how people make that. I don't know how people make like ginormous pizzas, but it's cool. I'm gonna add the food coloring. So dusty. So I'm gonna do yellow. There's like a little bit of yellow. I could do light green. Put the yellow and see what color it makes. This is gonna be cool. Ready, guys? Guys, wait for it. Flat it down. Flat it down. Oh, I need this comb. Ready? What colors are in there? You guys like kind of see the colors in there? Wait, if I open it up, wait. Oh, it's in here. It's in here. It's in this little pocket. There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it up. My sister's just playing in the dark with a flashlight. Okay, she came back. Hello. Come. Oh, this is hard. It actually made a nice yellow.
Come, show the guys. Come, show the light. Come here. 1 second. Come here. Show the guys. She's gone again.
Yeah.
Come, show the guys. Sit over there. Show the light. And show it from there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm getting blind. See, go around.
Whoa, this purple is so cool. So we already made 3 Play-Dohs. So we made the green one for my sister, this purple one for me,
Can I see the light, Diana?
and we're gonna share this one.
Can you show me the light?
2 Play-Dohs. So yeah,
Oh wow,
I like some.
that's so cool. Show it through the plate. See if it works. Show it here. Put it here. Where's the light?
Wait, give me the light, please.
Oh my goodness.
Give me the light, please. I'm gonna show you something cool. Ready? So here's the light. Ready?
There it is. Try it on the green one. There it is. And the purple one. And there is the light.